So my name is Edoardo. I'm an Italian osteopath.
My name is Antonia. I'm from Slovakia.
We have 19 rent-to-rent deals at the moment.
And our cash flow per month is between 16 to 17K.
I had zero experience in the real estate industry whatsoever. So that was for me like a complete change of career. And it was scary, but it's something that because of mentorship, because of Simon's help, I was able to get through in a quite good way, and quite a successful way.
So SSO for me is different because I feel that it's the energy. There's a lot about the energy whenever you come to the room, when there's a group of mentors or just like on a Zoom call with Simon. It's a lot of energy, lots of support, lots of great information. We learn a lot. I had no clue about the rent-to-rent, and I feel like I know a lot because of the information that I've been provided, plus the mentors that we spoke to. The community, it's amazing as well. And I feel it's also different because it's very real. People speak about their struggles, they share also the downsides of rent-to-rent, but also the highs. And I like that there's a real balance between those two and people are real.
SSO is different from anything else that is in the market because of its community, first of all, its ability to get to know you, its ability to get you in contact with other people that are in the similar journeys such as yourself, and at the same time have a brilliant variety of coaches that have been in this journey before in the past, that have experienced what you are experiencing now, and they can give you, a very quick and efficient answer to any of your issues and problems. The jump that Antonia and I had to do to get from 0 to 1 deal was, I think, the biggest challenge because until you get your first one, you don't believe you can do it, and you just want to believe you can do it, follow the process. So emotionally, it was challenging because you were getting out of your comfort zone, not only emotionally, but not only exploring a new industry, but also investing money that maybe potentially will never get back, right? Because we were like followed by closely by a great mentor, and we follow his footprint. We were able to secure a deal. We were able to overcome our fears. So we were able to achieve a very good deal with a great cash flow that gave us confidence then to, get to 19 in 18 months.
So to jump from the first deal to 19 as we are now, it's quite extreme, but in a good way. There are lots of things that I had no idea that I have to do or we have to do as a business. There's lots of responsibility. There's much more money, but that means much more money for the business and for us as well. So it's great. Also, I would say brought a lot of confidence that we can do it and we know how to do it, but that doesn't mean that we are stuffing and we're not going to learn or get better. It also brought a lot of the things that we wanted: freedom, having more time for ourselves, each other, money.
The advice I would give myself if I will have to start this process from zero is keep being positive, keep believing in the process, and keep making actions, small actions to get you to the goal that you want to be.
So my advice for people who are just starting is please don't compare yourself to people that have 1, 8 or 30 deals, because rather get inspired, because I know how it is when you see that it's happening for someone else, but it's not happening for you. So you probably don't even take action. So please get inspired and take action now.